G'day and welcome back to RC Model Reviews, another not so weekly news for another year. Seems like it, doesn't it? Coming up in the review queue, we have the Beetle Hom. Now remember, I got one of these as part of the kit I got from DJI. This is a little, I think it's sub 200 gram, it says lightweight, less than 200 grams, quadcopter with the DJI, or for the DJI digital system. Now, the one I got, flight controller didn't work. It was broken. It wouldn't connect. It just sat there flashing its little winky light. So I contacted Transtech. Is it Transtech? Yes, Transtech says in the box. And unfortunately, some emails got lost in spam folders. So it looked like they weren't providing any support. But they did come back and said, look, we'll send you the bits to fix it up. So they sent me a flight controller and they sent me basically a plug and fly version of it. So no digital air unit, but I've got the air unit in the original one. And I have got the original one going again. And I have this other one here for spares. And I could put another air unit in and fly that if I wanted to. So there'll be a review on that coming up. Very interesting. Interesting is because it's very light with the DJI digital system. Also coming up, I've heard that CADX are trying to get hold of me to send me one of the new ultralight DJI digital transmitters, and hopefully that will happen. I'll tell you what I think of it because it opens even bigger doors to the DJI digital system. So those reviews coming up. I've also got a new camera from Foxeer, which is a night/day camera, which I'm putting in a quad as we speak, and that we've got a half moon at the moment, so it'll be interesting to see how that goes. And pretty exciting at the moment is this. Oh, excuse me, it's a big box. Oh, it's bigger than me. It is from Zonda. Ta-da! Can you see this? Can you see what that is? It's the Zonda Albatross. Here we go. Full sweep there so you can see the whole thing. It is a 2.6 meter glider with electric motor, of course, because these days gliders have electric motors in the front. I'll be trying to get this together very soon because it's thermal season here in the Southern Hemisphere. And if you're in the Northern Hemisphere, you need to be looking ahead a few months, because once the spring kicks in, you get the strong thermals. If you haven't tried gliders, you really do need to give them a go. It is such fun flying gliders, such a challenge. That's why I spend so much time with my discus launch glider. I really, really enjoy it. I've also got other stuff coming up. Got some more of these products from Hobby Porter. There's the power meter and so forth, which I'll be looking at. Really handy little bits of kit. And there is a new transmitter coming. I have a new transmitter coming, which, if you've got a, God, what are they called now? A T16. If you've got a T16, this will be very interesting. I can't wait to see this thing. It's probably going to put the cat amongst the pigeons. Very interesting stuff coming. Trust me, you will want to see that video. And I got a letter. I got a letter from Pavel Spachelski. Pavel Spachelski. Now, I watch Pavel's channel, actually. I've been meaning to tell you about his channel for quite some time. It's a really, really good channel. He has so few subscribers. I cannot understand why he has so few subscribers. Maybe it's because he has an accent, but don't we all? Yes, I have one too. And he's addressed it to Sir Bruce Simpson. He's got the title right. And inside, he sent me, wait for it, drum roll please, because I think he's quite active in the iNav community. Stickers! Everyone, especially me, loves stickers. He sent me some stickers. Brilliant. So I'll put a link to his channel in the description of this video. Now, unlike some YouTubers, I'm very keen to point you in the direction of other good channels. I think you can't have too much good content. And Pavel produces some really good content. So I'll point you his way, and I can't get the sticker back in. Damn. I'll point you his way. Go and look at it. Look at some of the back stuff. He looks at Free Sky stuff and other bits and pieces. And I say iNav, really worth looking at. Really good channel. He's right up there with Bardwell and myself. What does he say? He says, just today I saw your address in your CAA calendar video and decided just to send you some stickers. Straight from Poland. After all, everyone loves, he's right, everyone loves stickers, right? Thank you for all the years of amazing content with this unique pinch of humour. What humour? I'm always deadly serious. Anyway, he says, all the best, Pavel Spachelski. I think I don't know, I'm probably murdering his name. And he says, funny fact, this is the first handwritten letter I wrote from probably 1996. I wonder why people don't write them anymore. And he's right. He's right. Handwritten, look. And it's not cursive script, but it is handwritten. You don't get that very often. I'm so impressed I have a handwritten. I'll get that framed and stick it on my wall of fame. I should start a wall of fame, shouldn't I? So if you want to send me stuff, he didn't know what the address was until I did that video. This is the address. Hopefully the camera will pick that up. If you need to send stuff for review or whatever, or you want me to just show people, that's the address. It is Bruce Simpson, or RC Model Reviews will do. They know me at the post office. Box 426, Tokoroa 3444, New Zealand. New Zealand, not Old Zealand and not Australia, New Zealand. There you go. So that's my work cut out for me for the week, isn't it? I'm going to be very, very busy. Loving it. Summer's almost here. Yeah, honestly, it's still 5 degrees in the mornings and we've still got like 20 km/h winds, but it's getting closer every day. It'll probably get here just before autumn. Never mind, that's the way it goes. So thanks for watching. And don't forget, we've got a really big issue going on at the moment with the FAA in the USA. We need to all get together to deal with the problems that our American friends are facing in terms of losing the hobby. And I really do mean losing the hobby. They're going to lose it. It's going to get lost. It's going to get shut down by regulation. So everyone everywhere in the world needs to get on the back of this. Go to my Xdirt channel. I've put some videos up there, which will probably familiarize you with what's going on. And very, very soon I'm putting up a video on there, basically laying out the strategies that I see being most effective to counter these proposed new regulations from the FAA. If we don't deal with it, then we're done, because if America introduces it, the rest of the world will follow, and we'll all be just playing on the simulators on the computer. Not good enough. There you go. Thanks for watching. Thank you to my Patreon supporters. They are absolutely essential. You may have seen if you go to my Xdirt channel as well. I put a video up. It's got 12,000 views. It earned 90 cents because YouTube decided to demonetize it for the first 12,000 or 11,000 views. And then they finally remonetized it, and I got 90 cents. Pretty seriously. So Patreon, it's for the win. Thank you, Patreon supporters. Fantastic job, you guys. I think everyone supports. Everyone appreciates the support you give me. Oh, that just moved. Is there something in here? Maybe there's something alive. It says albatross. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Time for me to get back to the bench.